Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday 6th of March with me, which is market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable now, which has dropped away actually again today, although there was an interesting reaction to the move lower yesterday. There was resultant candle was a doji candle, but interestingly around about 80 pips off the day low into the close. So that was a pretty positive reaction given the fact that the market has been falling, but that fall back has continued today. I would say that what we're seeing at the moment is still a corrective move within what is, I think, now a still positive outlook in the medium-term trading range that we've seen actually since August. And the move back is coming into a band of support. All these, a whole load of breakout highs, basically above the 130 big figure. But if you sort of take it more exact than that, you could sort of say 131.10. Yesterday's low was 132. It was 130.95 before the intraday rebound. But then you've got the 130.50 level, which is also another old pivot that is worth keeping an eye on, and then above the psychological 130 level. So ultimately this is still a little bit of a corrective move, I think, within a maintained positive outlook within the medium-term range. You've got the fact that the RSI is just unwinding. It's in the mid-50s at the moment. MACD lines are sort of tailing off a shade, and the stochastics have sort of slipped lower. But these are all fairly well-contained moves, I think, at the moment. I think if you saw a move below 130 big figure, I think that would start to change the outlook, though. You can see here on the hourly chart you've got this downtrend move lower over the past few sessions. You've got the RSI failing at 60 on the hourly RSI, but again, similar to the euro, really holding up around the 30 mark. So not a significantly bearish configuration, but still a negative bias nonetheless. And that sort of comes with the fact that we're posting lower highs, lower lows. That rebound intraday yesterday from the early sell-off started to tail off around 31.80 as a basis of resistance underneath the 32 figure area, which is a previous high in the sell-off. So a couple of lower highs there, but sort of more of a drift back into support, I think, and it'll be interesting to see whether the support does start to form again around that sort of 30.50 area to 31 figure area. So I wish you good luck in trading today, and I will speak to you later.